Hello everyone, I am George Lignos. I'm a chemical engineer and I'm going to show you how to program in Fortran. You know that Fortran is not a fancy language for making applications for internet and so it's only for engineers, for mathematicians, physicists and so on. First of all, you have to download a compiler, a free one and a very nice one I use a lot is the FTN from Silver Frost. You can download it easily. You have to download the personal edition and go to the download now icon, and then you install it like that. So after that you can go to the Silver Frost menu, press Plateau, and there you go. This is a program. It's very easy to use it. First of all, we have the new, the open, the save buttons. So we're going to create a new file. The file that we're going to create is the source code, which when we compile, build and start, then we are going to see that it's gonna produce all the things that we want to create from this program. Now we have several different choices of the thing that we're going to use for Fortran is a free format Fortran file, which is for Fortran 1995, and compared with a fixed format Fortran file, this is for Fortran 77 and it's much more complicated. So here you go. The first thing that you are going to notice in a program in the Fortran language is that it has 4 different colors of fonts. You are going to see that they are blue, they are black, they are green, and they are gray. So why is that? Because they have different uses. I didn't do anything in order to create this these colors of the fonts. It's automatic because of the compiler, and that's the use of a good compiler, a visual one. It helps you understand when you do a mistake, because you have actual visualization of whatever you type. So the second thing you're going to notice in every program is that it has 3 different parts. The first part, after the command program, and then you have to write the name of the program, let's say example 1. The first part is the declaration of variables. We don't have to type all these comments, but it's good for our mind, know where we are. So whenever you see an exclamation mark before anything, then everything after this becomes green automatically. The second part is the main body of the source code. So here is whatever happens in the program. Last but not least is the part where we can see that the functions and the subroutines, and these are only after the command contains. At the end of every program you will see the command end or end program and the name of the program, but end program still works okay. The first time you're going to compile the program, these are the three buttons that we're going to use a lot: compile, build, and start. When you compile it for the first time, then it asks you for a name. Let's name it by our name, George. Please check that you don't have to have the same name as here. So here we go. We already have our first warning, and you have to get used to it, because programming is 5% maximum. The actual time that we spend on it creating, the other 95% is correcting. So everything is done real time, so I will have a lot of warnings, I warn you. Now the warning is about there's nothing under contains command, so I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to finish this video, and then we're going to create our first program. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.